Hey, what's going on guys? It's Mr. D and welcome to my Latitude review. In this video, I'm going to give you a full demo what is Latitude is all about, and I also put together my custom bonuses for those who like to buy from my link which is down below of this video. Now, without wasting time, let me tell you what is Latitude is all about, and after that I will tell you what are my bonuses. So basically Latitude is a cloud-based software which allow you to make money through crypto NFTs. Yes, it's crypto NFTs. What basically you have to do is just make a simple design and the software will do it's for you, and just you can start to make money from it. And it also have training included which will tell you how you can make money through it, and it's all system is very easy, and these guys give you their exact software which they use to make money through it and get traffic from to make money. It is 100% beginners friendly and even newbies are getting results. You don't have to worry about traffic because this guy included everything you need to succeed in your online money making ideas. And more details of Latitude I will give you later in the video, so watch it till the end. So Latitude is going live on 31st August 9 am EST. So when it goes live, you can click any of the button on my bonus page and it will bring you to the sales page of Latitude where you can buy it. And as you know that I am giving you some of my best bonuses to buy it, and I guarantee you that you will not going to be find better and more useful bonuses that what you are going to get through my link which is down below of this video. Now let's see what are my bonuses. So this is the my bonus page, and as you can see here lot of stuff you can read it out. Now here are my bonuses, my list, the list of my bonuses. So bonus one you are getting is smash my campaigns and it's all upgrades. It's basically a product created by Brandon Mace, which is a very good creator on the internet, and it's a very good product in which you can get his most proven to sell campaigns, in which he also include proven to get traffic, built in traffic, and it's all upgrade you will get, in which you will get its reseller license, it's done for you product, it's autopilot product and everything, and it is only for first 100 people. So if you are on the first 100 people, then you will also get these bonuses. Now bonus 2 you are getting is Aurora system with all its upgrade. It's basically a software, and it's a cloud based software which will bring you traffic on autopilot for free, and you are getting all its upgrade which includes its reseller license, done for you profits funnels and everything included in it. And you can get information about all of my bonuses on the internet, on Warrior Plus or on YouTube. You can search any of these product and it will tell you how valuable these products are, as I am giving to you as bonus. Now bonus 3 you are getting is you will get access to the beast funnel and all its upgrade. It's basically a software which will create funnels for you, and it also have free built-in traffic. It's also a product of Brandon Mace, and you also get its all upgrades, which is a very good thing I'm giving to you. And if you want to information about it, then you can check it out on YouTube or on Google, and it will tell you about beast funnel what is it. Now bonus 4 you are getting is reseller license to loophole to profits, funnel mail suit and medicines. You will get reseller license of these three best selling app on the internet, and with the help of reseller license you will get 100% commission on the whole sales funnel, which is a very good thing. Now bonus 5 you are getting is you will get access to the 10x profit site, 1k daily system and auto profit site. These all three are very good apps on the internet and created by Glenn Goski, and you can also search information about on the internet, and as you can see these are very goods. With 10x profit site you can create unlimited websites, and it also have autopilot content, you don't have to write any word. With 1k daily system, these guys tell you how to make $1,000 per day without anything. Now bonus 3 you are getting is auto profit site. It's also a cloud based software which will create you done for you sites which will bring 100% free traffic for you to make sales, even just from one day. Now bonus 6 you are getting is you will access to the commission pages and with commission and passive profit funnels. Also these three apps are very good, and you can read more information of these apps on the internet. With commission pages it will make your pages done for you pages which will bring you traffic. Vid Commission, it's basically YouTube software. It will create 100% done for you videos, blast on YouTube and get traffic from them. Passive Profit Funnel is also cloud based software which will create profit funnels for you, and it will bring you traffic, and it is only for first 100 people. And you can check more information about this bonus on the internet. Bonus 7, I'm giving to you that I put an email that you can send your email to my list. You can send 1000 emails to my list per day, and it is for a lifetime. You can send your email to my list, which is a very good thing, and it also include your affiliate link. And as you know that my list is very convertible, I have more than 200k plus subscribers in my list, so you have chance to reach out to them. So my next bonus, you are getting a suite of 16 software which will include funnel builder like ClickFunnels, autoresponder like ActiveCampaign, drop shipping accounts of Shopify, Vimo and Kabazi, and many more hot selling and best softwares on the internet. And you will get all these accounts for free and for lifetime. Yes, it is for lifetime. You don't have to pay anything, and I will give you all these apps for free. So my next bonus is I am giving you a premium hosting with a premium domain. So with the help of this you can host unlimited website you want. You will also get a domain, and it includes premium themes and plugins which will help you to make more money, and it also have training included so that it will tell you how you can use all them to make money with the help of these. So my next bonus, you are getting access to the Hive, Matic, Slick and Flux. Also these four are the best selling apps or products on the internet. These all will bring you traffic from other social media sites. These all are very exclusive, and I'll give you all their account. These all will help you to make more money and increase your chance of conversions. Now bonus 11th you are getting is you will get access to the Orion and Alpha. Both these are very good app, and you can also take information about from there on the internet. With the help of Orion, it will build your pages and help you to get traffic. And with the help of Alpha, it's basically a WhatsApp marketing tool which will make you commissions through WhatsApp. Now bonus 12 you are getting is you will get access to the Stomper and all its upgrade. It's also a good product of Brandon Mace, and you can read more information of this on the internet. It's also a cloud based software which will make you thousands or more dollar per day. So it's also a passive income idea, and this product will help you to make more money, and all its upgrade will help you to make thousands and even $2,000 to $3,000 per day. Now bonus 13 you are getting is you will get access to the Omega Builder, Omega Cloud, Omega Send, Profit Webinars and Profit Design. I am giving you these 5 best selling products on the internet. With the help of Omega Builder you can build your funnels. With the help of Omega Cloud, it's basically a cloud storage. You can host unlimited files and videos on this. With the help of Omega Send, it's basically autoresponder, and with the help of this you can send emails to your list. And with the help of Profit Webinars you can host unlimited webinars, automate them, and it's also have some done for you webinars which will help you to make money through webinars. And as you know that webinars are very convertible. Now my next bonus is Profit Design. With the help of this, it's basically a alternative software of Adobe, and as you know that it will help you to make designs. Profits Design, it's all about this. Now bonus next you are getting is you will get access to all the vendor bonuses that he provides to me to give you. And other than all of my bonuses, I am giving you 40 more bonuses that you can give away to your customer to increase your conversion rates, and it will help you to boost your sales. Now my next bonus you are getting is you will get access to the Ridgi with all of my Ridgi bonuses. I put a Ridgi review on my YouTube channel, you can check it out this, and it's a very good product, and it's a product about Instagram. It will bring you automated traffic and free traffic from Instagram. You don't have to do anything. And on my review of Ridgi, I'll give you my bonuses. So in this, with the help of Ridgi you will make money, and I'll give you my Ridgi bonuses which I'll tell in my previous video of Ridgi review. So you will get all these. So these are the all my bonuses, and these are very good, and you can get more information of this product on the internet. Everything and all of my bonuses are very exclusive. These are very good, and as you can see on some bonuses there is written that it is only for first 100 people. So hurry up and buy it because these bonuses are for only 100 people. So I urge you that so you buy when it goes live instantly. So these are the all of my bonuses which I want to tell you, and it's are very good. You can read information on about them on the internet. So for claiming all these bonuses, first thing you need to do is click on the link which is down below this video and come on my bonus page, which you may already be on if you come through my email list. Just be aware that it goes live on 31st August 9 am EST. So when it goes live you can buy it. Now let me tell you how you can access my bonus. So when you buy it, then in your Warrior Plus history you can see there this blue button tell access your bonus. Here you can access all the bonus which I promised to you, and after that you will get all the bonuses if you buy only the front end product, which is only for $12.95. And as you know that I am giving you some of my best bonus to buy it through my link. Now let's see the sales page of Latitude. Now I am on the sales page of Latitude, and as you can see there, easy laptop income without online marketing. How this 12-year-old cracked a $2.5 billion loophole for over $2,743 passively every week in under 15 minutes per day with 100% buyer free traffic. You don't need any experience, no hashes, and pure results. And you can also watch this sales video of Latitude. It will tell you more about what is Latitude. Now here are some of its key features. Let me tell you one by one. 5 figure per month, push button system, developed and proven by a 12 years old. How you never been seen anything like this. Free software, free buyer traffic from a leading platform, cash in from in crypto explosion without risk or investment, absolutely no boring, 100% risk free, and it's beginner friendly, results or your money back guarantee. Now these are all its feature, and as you can see you can buy this by clicking this button. So this is the sales page of Latitude, and here you can see there's a lot of stuff. Now as you can see he is the creator of this product, John Armstrong, and you can read more information of his from there. Now this is the whole sales page of Latitude. It is very detailed, so check it out this whole sales page in your own time because it is very detailed. Now here's many things, you can read it out. And as you can see, here's what you are getting with Latitude. Over the shoulder look, Mommy's really is the easy video training. Free traffic from over 330 million motivated buyers. Done for the software to automate and scale. 5-figure case studies from scratch to thousands in real time. So you will get all these. Now here are some income proofs, some more details, and what is Latitude is all about. Now as you can see this guy also give you some custom bonuses for buy Latitude. First bonus you are getting is how to rank your YouTube videos. Second bonus you are getting is Vanquish. Third, $0 to $100 in 24 hours. And last is the Fugo breakout. You will get all these. And as you can see it's have 30-day money back guarantee, which means if you don't make money in 30 days then they will give your money back to you. Now here are some FAQs, you can read it out. Now this is the whole sales page of Latitude, and you can see more details of Latitude on the sales page because it is very detailed and I don't want to make this video very long, so check it out this whole sale. Now let me tell you its prices and upsell. So its front end product is Latitude for only $12.95, and as you know that I am giving you some of my best bonuses if you buy through my link which is down below this video. Now its upgrade one, which means OTO one, is Latitude Pro for only $47, and with the help of this system or this upsell you will get some more trainings, you will get some more ways to make money from it. And with this it's a proven to unique system. It will help you and it will show you how to effortlessly flip other people NFTs for windfall profits, and it is only for $47. And it's OTO2, which mean upgrade 2, is Latitude Deluxe for only $67, and in this you will get advanced training on leveraging the digital art of collection of 10x their income. So you will discover how to create and assemble collections and more things about it. Now it's OTO 3, which means upsell 3 is Latitude Elite Insiders Club for only $97. And in this you will get direct access to their insider only club, where the richest NFT players share their tricks how they make money from these. And you will also add it to their private list and get the hottest upcoming NFT update and profit. So it's also a very good upsell. Now OTO 4, which means upsell 4, is Latitude Unlimited Traffic for $197. And with the help of this you can get unlimited amount of traffic. In this they will add your pixels, Facebook pixels and ads pixel on their sales page for 1 year. And yeah, it is for 1 year, and with the help of this you will get huge amount of traffic from there. Now its upsell 5 is Limitless Ultra Reseller license bundle, and it is only for $67. So with the help of this you will get reseller license to there for top converting offers, and you can keep 100% commission on the whole sales funnel. So these are all its upsell, and these are very good. You can read information of these upsells on my bonus page. So it's all about, don't forget to check out my bonuses on my bonus page. And it's all about, thanks for watching my Latitude video, and I'll speak to you in some of the next videos. Take care, bye.